Right there, you asked for it. He did everything he could to deliver it. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to bring in the loader and get on his feet. We've got a very precise way of checking on him out there. We're going to get the loader and get him back up on his feet right here. But everybody sit tight. We got our safety crew on here. The loader coming in. We'll get him back up. We've been working on that thing all week. Wanted to come out here and show you how it's done. But we're going to get it back up.
They're happy.